Coordinate geometry. Now, can anybody tell me what is coordinate geometry and where it is used? What is coordinate geometry and where it is used? Yes, can anyone tell me what is coordinate geometry? अरे बच्चों, आप लोगों ने 9th में नहीं किया था? क्या होती है कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री? बेटा, ज्योमेट्री ऑफ द कोऑर्डिनेट्स मतलब वी टेक पॉइंट्स विद रेफरेंस टू सम पॉइंट. किस पॉइंट के रेफरेंस में लेते हैं बच्चों? ओरिजिन के. राइट. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री इज वन ऑफ द वाइडली यूज्ड टॉपिक in our day-to-day life. When you use your Google Map use करते हो आप लोग? When you use Google Map, when you search for any place, so the location of that place is in reference to some of the other points. तो if you see, अगर आप Google पे कोई मैप पे कोई पॉइंट सर्च करते हो, कोई लोकेशन सर्च करते हो, उसके आगे लगे कुछ नंबर आते हैं. That numbers tells us the location of this point with reference to some other point. So coordinate geometry is quite used a lot in day-to-day life. Whenever you make a map of a building, so everything is placed according to some coordinates. Is this clear? For example, let's say this is the two-dimensional coordinate system, बच्चों. Now, when we draw the graphs or when we draw the map of a building, so you take a reference. Let's say this is the plot. So when you are drawing one room here, the gate is on this side. So this is all in reference to some point, and everything is measured according to the coordinates. Is this clear? Better no talking, please. Rows, especially the boys in rows, no talking, right? So it is one of the easiest topic, bache, as far as your syllabus goes, right? This is one of the easiest topic. So we'll start with the assignment. First, we'll understand the two formulas which we will use in this topic. First one is distance formula. Can anybody tell me what is distance formula? कौन बताएगा बच्चे? What is the distance formula? We have 2 points. Let's say point A, whose coordinate are x1, y1. Another point B, its coordinate is x2, y2. Then the distance between these 2 points, AB, is given by the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. This is the formula for distance between 2 points when their coordinates are given. Right, bachcho? If the one of the point is origin, then you should take the coordinate of the one point as 0, 0. Is this clear? Second formula which we use in this chapter is section formula. Now, what is section formula? If we have, no talking, bachcho, no talking. If we have a line segment PQ where the coordinate of P is x1, y1 and the coordinate of Q is x2, y2, and there is a point R whose coordinate are x comma y, and R divides this line segment in ratio m:n. Then to find out the coordinate of this point R, that is x and y, we use section formula. What is section formula? To find out the x coordinate, we do m multiplied by x2 and n multiplied by x1. M times x2 plus n times x1 over m plus n. and y coordinate is find out same way m time y2 and n time y1, right? So this will be y coordinate will be m time y2 plus n time y1 m plus n. This will be the y coordinate, students. So we'll be using these two formulas in this chapter, bachon, right? So we'll move on to the assignment part. Please open your assignment, everyone. The question number 1. The shortest distance in units of the point 2, 3 from y-axis. Can anybody tell me how to find out this distance? Please बताइए बच्चे, हैंड रेज किया था एक बच्चे ने. Please tell me how to find out. Students, just look at the graph. If we draw this point 1, 2, now this point will be here 2, 3. We have to find the distance of this point from the y-axis. This is y-axis, students. This is x-axis. So length of this point from the y-axis will be this part, that is 2 units. ये वाला distance हो जाएगा बच्चों. So if you have to find the distance of a point from y-axis, take the length of the x-coordinate. If you have to find the distance of a point from x-axis, take the y-coordinate. So for this question, we have to find the distance from the y-axis. So the right answer will be 2 units. Right answer is 2 units. If you have to find out distance from the x-axis, then it has to be y-coordinate. Interchange हो जाते हैं बच्चों. So 2 units, answer A will be the right answer. Next question पे move करते हैं बच्चों. Question number 2. The coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. Straight away बच्चों यहाँ पे आपको section formula लगाना है जी. A is the point 5, -2 and B is 7, 5. And the point divides internally in the ratio 2:3. Let the coordinate of this point be x, y. Right, bachcho? Now, let's say this is x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is mn. Put all these values in the formula. What was x coordinate? M into x2 plus n into x1. 2 times into 7 plus 3 times 5 divided by m plus n. So this comes out to be 14 plus 15 by 5. That is 29 by 5. This is the x coordinate. Now what will be the y coordinate? M time y2 and n time y1. So this will become 2 into 5 plus 3 into -2. So this comes out to be 10 minus 6 by 5. So it has to be 4 by 5. The coordinate of the point R will be 29 by 5. Straight away, students, the use of section formula. So what will be the right answer? D option will be the right answer, bachcho. Any doubt in this? Any doubt, bachcho? Next question. Question number 3. If the point P divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 1:2. Find the value of k. So student, k की value find out करनी है. Again we have to apply the section formula. K is the x coordinate of P. So what is the x coordinate? X is equal to m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by 1 plus 2. So this becomes minus 7 plus 4 by 3. So minus 3 by 3. So this will be minus 1s. Hence the value of k is minus 1. You just have to make use of x coordinate. Is it clear, bachcho? Is this clear or not? If yes, raise your hands. बच्चे गप्पे मारनी बंद कर दो प्लीज, रिक्वेस्ट है. जस्ट फोकस ऑन द बोर्ड. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए बच्चों. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. In a parallel, if a parallelogram has vertices this, then the value of a. This is a parallelogram, बच्चों, right? Its coordinate of its vertices are given. 1, 4. Q is 7, 11. Then R is A, 4. And S is. Can anyone tell me how to do this question? Anyone from all the 3 sections? How to do this question? Yes, students, can anyone tell me? We have to find the value of A. Now, student, there is a property of parallelogram. What is that property? The diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Meaning क्या है कि this part is equal to this part, this equal to this. What is the meaning of this? O is midpoint of QS as well as PR. बेटा O जो है वो PR का भी midpoint है और QS का भी. So what is the meaning? So the midpoint of, यहाँ पे आपको स्टेटमेंट लिखनी है, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, therefore midpoint of PR is equal to midpoint of QS. Right, bachcho? Now what is the formula for midpoint? Can anybody tell me what is the formula for midpoint? The formula for midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Right? What is the meaning of midpoint? If this is P, this is Q. इसके coordinate है बच्चों x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. And this point R divides them in the ratio 1:1. Midpoint का मतलब क्या होगा? सेम रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है. तो फार्मूला क्या होता है? x1 plus x2 by 2, 1 plus 1, y1 plus y2 by 2. So we'll make of use of that formula. Now, midpoint of PR, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y coordinate 4 plus 4 by 2. And similarly, midpoint of QS 1 plus 7 by 2 and minus 3 plus 11 by 2. Right, bachcho? So now we have to find the value of A. Just equate x coordinate of midpoint PR with the x coordinate of midpoint of RS. Means this is also the coordinate of O. This is also the coordinate of O. So 1 plus A equal to 2. 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया बच्चों. A equal to 8 minus 1, that is 7. So the value of A is 7. बच्चे ये क्वेश्चन बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली बोर्ड में आता है, सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. अभी यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ A फाइंड आउट करना है. देयर मे बी A एंड B, राइट? सो प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन. किसी बच्चे को नहीं क्लियर है तो प्लीज आस्क द क्वेश्चन. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन? प्लीज रेज योर हैंड्स. सबको समझ आ गया. अभी मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा तो फिर भूल जाएंगे. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं बच्चों. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. अब बेटा 5 क्वेश्चन. I have already explained the distance of the point from the x-axis. Yes, tell me what will be the distance from the x-axis, length of the y-coordinate. Length of the y-coordinate is 4 units. Minus 4 given है ना बेटा. Length is always positive, negative हो नहीं सकती. Right? So therefore, the distance of the point A from x-axis will be 4 units. Now comes to the question number 6. Question 6. The distance of the point P from the origin. Origin is 0, 0. Please find out करके बताओ बेटा distance. Apply the distance formula in this. Please do it. Please find the distance by using distance formula between 2 points. P is given 10, 12 and origin. Origin is always 0, 0.
Option C.
Option C. What is option C? 2 root 61. How many of you have done? इतने सारे बच्चों ने कर दिया. सर को बोलता हूँ मैं नोटबुक चेक करे जरा बच्चों को. How many of you have done from section LT? Lotus? None of you have done. बच्चे क्या हो जाएगा? डिस्टेंस 10 minus 0, that is 10 whole square plus 12 whole square under root. So this becomes 100 plus 144, that is 244. और आप इसको फैक्टर्स करके लिख सकते हैं 61 into 4. 61 प्राइम है बच्चों. 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2. So this will be 2 root 61 units. Those who have not done, please note down. Next question पे आ जाते हैं बच्चे. Yeah, the points are the vertices of. देखिए बेटा क्वेश्चन ये. हाँ जी बेटा, कौन बताएगा मुझे क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है? 7th क्वेश्चन प्लीज. हाउ वी शैल डू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7? लेट मी आस्क सम ऑफ यू. बेटा ये सेक्शन रोज में सेंटर लाइन पे सेकंड बेंच पे 2 स्टूडेंट बैठे हैं. प्लीज टेल मी. हाँ जी हाँ जी, प्लीज टेल मी हाउ टू डू दिस क्वेश्चन बेटा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. माइक ऑन करो पहले. माइक ऑन.
Sir, by finding the distance of AB, BC and CD, then we compare their sides.
ओके, प्लीज सिट डाउन. और कोई मेथड हो सकता है बेटा इसके लिए?
By plotting on graph.
यस, बाय प्लॉटिंग. दैट विल बी द क्वाइट इजीएस्ट वे. देखिए बच्चे कैसे प्लॉट करना है. नाउ one of the vertices is given 9, 0. 9, 0 means y coordinate is 0. That will lies on the x-axis. Another is given minus 9, 0. Given है बेटा एक. Third one is given 9, minus 6. This is 9 minus 6. आप लोग ग्राफ पे प्लॉट कर सकते हैं इसको. Then is minus 9, यही 4 वर्टिसेस गिवन है बच्चों. नाउ अभी हमने डिस्टेंस का कॉन्सेप्ट किया है. the distance of a point from the x-axis and y-axis. What will be this distance? This will be 6 units. This will also be.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, D ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ -9 and +6 sir.
अच्छा, okay, okay. यहाँ पे ना there is some mistake in this question then. अगर चलो हम -6 से लगाते हैं, ठीक है जी. -6 and this is not the point. -9 and 6. -9 and 6. This is -9. So 6 will be here, बच्चों. Is it clear? Is this clear or not? Now, if you plot this graph, these lines are parallel. These lines are parallel. What is the length of this? 6 units. This is 6 units. What will be the shape of this graph? Parallelogram. How you can say this is equal? Beta, for a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram, one condition is there. One pair of its parallel sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram. अगर एक पेयर अपोजिट साइड का पैरेलल भी है और इक्वल भी है, then it is a parallelogram. So since this length is 6 units, this is also 6 units. So therefore it will be a parallelogram. अच्छा, अगर ये -6 होता बच्चे, तो then it would have been a rectangle. Is it clear बच्चों? Is this clear or not?
Yes.
कोई डाउट है तो बताइए जी इसमें. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं बच्चे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. The ratio in which the line 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0 cuts the point 1, 3. Now, student, can anyone tell me how to do this question? Yes. Anyone from rose, lotus or daffodils? देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन क्या है. There is a line segment. Let's say this is AB. Let's say this is a line 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. This lines cut this line segment. बच्चे, this is line segment, this is a line. So this cuts this line segment. We have to find the ratio. Now, whenever we have to find the ratio, we take the ratio as k:1. So let the ratio be k:1, means this divide in k:1. Let's say this point is P and coordinate of this point is, let's say, alpha comma beta. The coordinate of P is alpha comma beta. So by using the section formula, we can find out the coordinates alpha and beta. Alpha is x coordinate. So what is the formula? M into x2 plus n into x1 means 2 into k plus 1 into 1 divided by m plus n means k plus 1. Similarly, beta we can find out m into y2 means 7 into k plus 1 into 3. 7 into k plus 1 into 3. Student, any doubt till now? Anything not clear? Yes, tell me. यहाँ तक तो सब क्लियर है ना, सेक्शन फार्मूला लगाया हमने. Yes or no? Now this point P lies on this line. This point P lies on the line. So this point P will satisfy this equation. Means put alpha as x coordinate, and beta as y coordinate for this line. -9 equal to 0. Any doubt till now, bachcho? Solve this equation, you will get the value of k. Please note down and solve this. Solve this equation and find the value of k. हाँ जी, हो गया बच्चों?
Yes.
क्या वैल्यू आई के की बेटा?
3/4, 3:4.
3:4. कितने लोगों का आया 3:4 जी? सबका आ गया? नोटबुक चेक करेंगे, आधे लोगों ने नहीं किया होगा जिनका हैंड रेज है। कितने लोगों ने सच में किया है बच्चे? वेरी गुड बेटा। ऑल अदर्स प्लीज डू इट। कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ के। देखिए कैसे करना है जी। तो सबसे पहले तो ये देखिए a+1 एलसीएम आ जाएगा बच्चे, और इसको 9 के साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, और टेक 9 ऑन दैट साइड एंड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय k+1। अब सॉल्व कर लो इसको बच्चों। टेक 9k on the right side, 6 + 7 13 - 9 equal to 3 + 3 6 9 - 6। सो यहाँ से इक्वेशन बन गई बच्चों, 4k is equal to 3 and k will be equal to 3/4, right? The value of k comes out to be 3/4, as the ratio will be 3:4, ratio in which the line divides the line segment is 3:1. Is it clear? So option A will be the right answer. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं बच्चों। नेक्स्ट वी मूव ऑन टू द assertion and reason question. Right? The first question is the points A, B and C form a triangle. Is it true or false? बच्चे, is it true or false? 6, 4 -4, -6 and 4, 6.
Yes.
ट्रू है बेटा, ये ट्रायंगल फॉर्म करेगा।
Yes.
देखो ना, अगर अब मैं ड्रॉ भी करूं इसको बेटा, फर्स्ट इज 6, 4, दिस इज 6, दिस इज 4, 6, 4 -4, -6, -4, -6. Third one is 4, 6, 4, this is 4, 6. तो देखिए बच्चे, ये लाइन जो है ये ट्रायंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है। So this is a triangle. The first statement is true. Now the reason is given. In a triangle ABC, if BC square equal to AB square plus AC square, then triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at A. अब इसको कैसे चेक करना है? ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर लो बच्चे। वो कह रहा है राइट एंगल एट A. This is A, this is B, this is C. Now if it is 90 degree, so we have got BC square equal to, so same चीज given है बच्चों। So this is also true. This is also true. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So both are true. Is it the right explanation?
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी,
Yes, sir.
कैसे राइट एक्सप्लेनेशन है बेटा? पहले वाला ट्रायंगल राइट एंगल है। अच्छा, इसमें आप चेक करो, अगर ये इसने बोला है जस्ट फॉर्म ए ट्रायंगल, दिस इज ए ट्रायंगल, यस, देयर इज नो कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल इन दिस, but second statement is right angle triangle. So both are true, but not the correct explanation. बच्चे, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में right angle triangle is not anywhere, so it's just a triangle, and second is right angle triangle. So both statements are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation. Hence the answer will be B. Now comes to the next question. Distance between 0.3, 10 and minus 12, 2 is 17 units. Please check whether the distance is 17 units or not between these 2 points. हाँ जी बच्चों, points given है 3, 10 and minus 12, 2. Let's say this is A, this is B, and it is given AB is 17. Check whether it is 17 or not.
Yes. Yes, sir.
17 आ रहा है बच्चों ये?
Yes.
Right. And the distance between the points, formula given है, the formula is correct.
Yes.
So both statements are true and it is a correct explanation. Is this clear? Is it clear? So option A हो जाएगी. Comes to the question number 11. अच्छा student, 11 और 9th is the same question. 11th and 9th is same question. So we can skip that. Subjective question we will be doing in the next class. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right students, so we'll wind up here. Thank you very much for joining.